In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete databases in Notion. If you are cleaning up your workspace and you've decided that a database is no longer needed, Notion gives you a couple of simple ways to remove it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the most direct methods so you can delete a database confidently and avoid clicking around trying to find the right option. The first method starts directly from the database itself. Open the page where your database is located, then move your mouse over the database title. When you hover there, you'll notice a 6-dot handle appear on the left side. This handle is what gives you access to more options for that database block. Click the 6 dots and a context menu will open. From that menu, choose Delete. Once you do that, the database will be removed from the page. Here is also another way to do this from the same database view if you prefer using the top menu. Look to the upper right corner of the database and click the 3-dot menu. This opens another set of options related to that database. From there, select Move to Trash. In Notion, deleting often means sending the item to the trash first. So if you remove something by accident, you may still be able to recover it later from the trash section of your workspace, if you don't want to open the database page first. You can also delete it from the left sidebar. In the sidebar, find the name of the database you want to remove. Once you've located it, click the 3 dots next to the title or simply right-click the database name. This will open a small menu with available actions. Click Delete, and the database will be removed. As you do this, make sure you are deleting the correct database, especially if you have several with similar names. Taking a quick second to confirm the title can help prevent mistakes. It's also helpful to remember that if a database contains important entries, deleting it may affect the information stored inside it as well. So it's worth checking before you proceed. That's all it takes to delete databases in Notion. Whether you use the 6-dot handle, the 3-dot menu in the database view, or the options from the left sidebar. The process is quick and straightforward once you know where to click.